How to cancel your order on Instacart or how to cancel an Instacart order. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pinbestnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your order on Instacart. Now, you can do so from either the website or the application. If you're on the application, you can simply open up your Instacart application and then tap the three stacked horizontal lines in the upper left hand corner, as you can see here on the browser as well. And there you want to tap on your orders option and select the order you want to cancel. On the order page, all you have to do is scroll down to the manage order page and cancel the order. However, if you want to do it so on the browser, as like in the app, you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top left and then select my orders option or your orders option here, and here you'll be able to find your orders. You want to tap on the particular order you wish to cancel, and on the order page you'll be able to see the cancel this order option. So this way you can cancel your order on Instacart. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.